The missions and only the mission has been done, but no races. So Gravity Force is going to be fun. Gauntlet 2 is going to be crazy. We got some really cool games on the list. Good. Let's go. 10 spins. Guess raspberry. 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 Hey, skill chance. Ooh. Stop a feature. Fruit roulette. £43! Yeah! This is going to be a new world record already. Okay. And you people laughed saying, taken his Fruit-Mania 1 round run. Who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? For sure it's me. You know what? We could get diagonals. We could get diagonals, so... Okay. Nothing to lose anyways now. See? This is me in the casino right now. Target? I'm good at targeting. What's the target though? He's hooked now. Yeah, that's why I never go to a real casino. Like Cake's parents always said, like, you can come along. Hey, 50 pence. Hey, we got £1 on top. Repeat? You just need to know when to quit, yeah. Ah, this is so hard to hit. Oh, you can't hit it like this. There we go, the 5. And we still got 4 spins left. Hey, I got £5, Vam. Don't short sell it. £49. Ah. Gotta roll high, man. Skill chance? Ah. Having a first skill chance in this round would have been too crazy. Super hold. £80, £80. And he's like, you wanna collect or you wanna gamble? I'm gonna tell you what. Now we're gonna collect 2. We're at the casino right now. We're at the casino right now, Ben. I can hold him again. You know it. Skill chance? Oh. No, never mind. Never mind. 80 pence. 80 pence. Yes. Yes. Ah, we did a world record for one. This speed be sick. I need to copy the pound symbol here because I don't have that on my keyboard, I can tell you guys. Okay. Now to invest that 51 into crypto. Yeah, I think if I invest this now into crypto, next day it will be worth £5. So, nah, man. Hey, the world record on 8 rounds is £96, and I just did in a one game 51. Get wrecked. Hey, we are going to do a 2 rounds record.